Greetings. This is Market Wisdom episode 59, delivered by Twigbe Hizogi. For forex, stock, option, futures, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and all chart-related trading. Advised to subscribe, share. You can contact us for account management and training from any part of the world. You can reach us on 080-375-97085. When nobody wants to touch the markets, that is the time you have to step up. If you have the edge, in the long run, you make more money by doing a lot of transactions. Your return on capital will be very small if you weren't trading across markets. Trading is always a horse race, and unless you are running very fast, they are going to catch you. We look for trading opportunities between less correlated markets. Based on my experience with the traders I've hired, I would say that successful blackjack, chess, and bridge players are more likely to fit the profile of a good option trader. Some people are fond of saying even a poor system could make money with good money management. This contention is complete nonsense. All that good money management will do for a poor strategy is to assure that you will lose money more slowly. Probably the most basic requirement for successful trading is that you must have some well-defined methods, or in other words, a specific approach that gives you an edge. If you don't know what your method is, you don't have one. Buying a stock because your mother-in-law gives you a tip is not a method. If you don't have a method, in other words, an edge, then trading is every bit as much a gamble as betting in the casinos. But with a method, trading, or for that matter, even blackjack becomes a business rather than gambling. It is critical to keep in mind that even if you have the edge, you can still lose your money. Therefore, the bet or trade size must be small enough to keep the probability of such an event very low. Even good system can lose money with poor money management. The market is like a giant poker game, and you have to pay very close attention to your opponents. If you are the sixth best poker player in the world and you play with the five best players, you are going to lose. On the other hand, if your skills are only average and you play against weak opponents, you are going to win. I factor in my perception of the skill and knowledge of the person on the other side of a trade and adjust my strategy accordingly. I'm willing to subjugate or revise my own market views based on the actions of those I consider better informed traders. It doesn't bother me when I lose. I know that I'm playing correctly, and I know that there is nothing you can do to smooth out the volatility. I rarely second guess myself when I lose, since I know that in the short run, most of the fluctuations are due to luck, not skill. The basic concept that applies to both poker and option trading is that the primary object is not winning the most hands, but rather maximizing your gains. This brings us to the end of episode 59. Remember to subscribe, share with other groups, and contact us for account management or training. Thank you.